Buying oil spill response equipment for a port or terminal. Don't start with a product list. Start with the spill risk. Consider where a spill may happen, what type of oil or fuel is involved, and how large an incident your facility needs to handle. For spills on water, containment boom helps control the spread of floating oil. Boom type and length should be selected according to the deployment area, current, waves, and operating conditions. Containment is only the first step. For larger recoverable spills, a skimmer can recover the floating oil, while pumps and hoses transfer the recovered liquid. And don't forget temporary storage. Recovered oil needs somewhere to go, so storage capacity should be considered as part of the complete response system. For smaller spills and final cleanup, oil absorbents and spill kits provide fast response around workshops, docks, and fuel handling areas. A complete package also needs the right deployment accessories, including boom reels, blowers, container, anchoring equipment, tow bridles, and repair kits. Before requesting a quote, provide project location, application, required boom length, water conditions, oil type, spill risk, recovery capacity, storage capacity, delivery destination. JXY can help you build a complete oil spill response package based on your actual project conditions.